Good morning, Evan Lawson with Superior Roofing here. Today we're doing another restoration project in the Fayetteville area. It's going to be an overall re-roof. We'll show you flat roofing, what that means for your home, some do's and don'ts as far as maintenance goes, and we're also talking about the different materials you would use on a flat roof. Okay, so as we're covering flat roof portions on your home, we're talking about a roof with zero pitch on it. So it's not designed to shed water like your normal roof would be that would have pitch on it. Two main materials that you can use in a flat roof section: rolled roofing, which is what is existing here on the roof that we're working with. And the second is going to be TPO, which is membrane based and it's designed to have water sitting on it. And that's actually what we're gonna replace this rolled roofing section with today. You've got to keep debris moved off of the flat roof area. That's going to encourage extra algae and it's going to encourage moss and things that we see here and allow moisture to get under your roofing. The decision to move this from rolled roofing to TPO is because we do have areas where water is actually collecting on the roof. So that is going to be meant more for a TPO based roofing system, because that is able to handle water actually sitting on it.